Where is he? Go to Uncle. Yay! Ready? Go. Go get it. Come on, come on. It's right there, Lovely. Go. Yes, good girl.
My name is Lovely, and I'm the loveliest ever.
That's not her
You
voice.
guys don't even realize that I'm this lovely because I've got so much hair all over my body. My mom doesn't even like comb it. It's like I'm on the old one longer. But it's fine because I'm cute and I'm cool.
That is literally not her voice.
But this is what I sound like. I'm actually channeling through your brother. My voice is cool. I'm just overtaking his body like the mask.
No.
Did you ever see that movie, The Mask? I did.
Oh.
It has Jim Carrey. He's my favorite. Hello. He's really funny. Funnier than you all. Trying to make me jump off a wall. Like you won't even show me how to do it first. Who does that?
Shut up!
You should do it. Show me first that you could do it. And then I'll do it because you're an example.
Lovely. Is that your voice? That's not your voice.
He's like, give me the shade.
So I brought the Sunday dog food with me to the beach, and my dog loves it, but so does my brother.
Yeah, it's delicious. Here, try these. What are they called?
Sunday's dog food.
These are Sunday's people food. For anybody food. See, it's all just really delicious things in it that both humans and dogs can eat. Look at, watch. It's
She's
fine.
like, you just ate my food.
It's fine. It's delicious. I think that everybody should try it real quick. It tastes just like food.